Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I feel like it's been forever since I've just like sat down and had a little chit chat with you, but today's video is just going to be my summer hair care routine with this current length. A lot of you guys have been asking for it, especially over on Instagram, and I think I finally got my routine down pat. So today is my wash day and I'm going to show you guys until like my next wash day. But since it's wash day today, I'm going to be starting with a scalp treatment, and I'm going to use this growing season one from Berber Hair Care. I've been using this for about a month now and I absolutely love this oil. It has burdock root infused in it, so it's really good for promoting hair growth, treating damaged hair, and it just helps to maintain healthy hair and scalp. Mona apparently wanted to be involved in this intro. I usually switch between the scalp treatment and the rosemary scalp treatment from the Innate Life. They're just my two favorites right now. This is what my hair is looking like. It's super wavy today because I slept with 2 Dutch braids last night, and it's pretty much down to like my armpits now. So I'm pretty happy with my growth so far since the haircut, but I'm just gonna start off by detangling it. Since cutting my hair, it's been so much easier to detangle, obviously, because it's shorter, and it also just doesn't really get tangled like it used to. And I try not to touch my hair with it. People always tell me off about that in the comments. I just like to apply some to my hairline and massage it in. And then I'm just gonna let that soak in for a couple of hours while I make dinner. And I think tonight I'm going to do a repair mask. I'm probably gonna use the repair mask from the hair routine because it's just my favorite one. After I've washed it, I'll show you guys what I use. So I will update you guys in a few hours once I've washed my hair. All right, so I just finished washing my hair and I've had it up in a towel for about 10-15 minutes, so I'm gonna take it out. So in the shower, to wash my hair, I use this lavender and rosemary shampoo from Neza Naturals. I've just been trying this out, so that's why I grabbed like the smallest little bottle. I just wanted to know if I liked it first. They're silicone free, sulfate free, cruelty free, all that fun stuff, and they're all made in Victoria and BC, so that's really cute. Yeah, so I've used this. I've been using it for, I don't know, maybe like a week or two. I just wanted to see kind of how it goes. So far I've been really liking it. My hair doesn't feel like dry or stripped or anything like that. And then for the hair mask, I used my repair mask from the hair routine. You guys know I love this mask with all my heart. It just makes my hair feel so good and bouncy and strengthened, but not like dry or brittle or anything after. And every time I get to do a repair mask, because they only come up like once or twice in my capillary schedule, each new schedule, I always take the opportunity to use this one, even though I'm like, oh, I'll use a different one this time. No, I literally always end up using that one, and I never ever regret it. And then as always, I always follow up with conditioner after my mask, and I use the Kalia hydrating conditioner. I love this conditioner. It just works so well for me. It's such a like basic, good hydrating one. So now that my hair is clean, I'm going to show you what I've been using for after the shower. I always like to use the Kalia Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner. You guys know this is one of my holy grails. And then because it's so light, I just like to generously spray it all over my hair. And this is kind of a better, you can really see like where my hair is right now. It's like pretty much right at my armpits. So I'm actually really happy with the progress. I think it was like to there when I first cut it, so we've gotten a few inches over the last few months, which is great. On days that my hair feels a little dry, or especially after I've been to the beach and gone swimming in the ocean, I like to use the Guava leave-in conditioner from Ceremonia. I talked about this I think like in my last video or a couple of videos ago, but I've actually really been enjoying this, and so has my boyfriend. My boyfriend has curlier hair, so I like to leave this for him because he likes it so much, and I don't really need as much like intense moisture as he does, so I like to leave that for him unless, like I said, I've been swimming or something. And I'm usually good to go with just an oil, so today I'm using my rose hair elixir from the Innate Life. You guys already know, I don't have to tell you how much I love this. But now that my hair is shorter, I'm only going to put a couple of drops because I just feel like I don't need as much as I did when my hair was long. So I'm only going to use like 3, I think, and apply it only to my length and ends. Then I like to use my wooden wide tooth comb from Tech just to detangle one more time and make sure that everything is distributed. That's it. I'm just going to let this air dry for the rest of the night. And then I think I'm going to just leave it open when I go to sleep so that it's not wavy tomorrow. Lately I've just been like doing 2 Dutch braids a lot before bed, but I want to show you guys like the results of the mask properly. So I'm just going to leave it on its own and show you my natural texture tomorrow. So I'll see you tomorrow morning. Good morning, you guys. I'm sure you're tired of this bathroom. Sorry, but the construction is the back of my building, and like one of our rooms like faces that way where I like to film, so it's just like really loud. So I'm gonna do it in here. Hopefully later when it's quieted down I can do like an update from a different room. But this is how my hair is looking today. It's so bouncy. This is honestly like one of the best wash days I've had over the last few weeks. It just like feels so good today, and I swear it's like from that hair mask. I love that mask. My hair always feels so good. Because I'm probably going to be riding my bike today, I'm going to put my hair in a little braid, but I'm going to be using a few more drops of the rose hair elixir. Normally on my first day of clean hair I just leave it like this. I might put a few drops of oil in the ends just to keep it looking really smooth and keep my ends nice and nourished. But honestly, like my hair at this length is extremely low maintenance, so if I skip it for whatever reason, it's not the end of the world. But I'm literally only going to put like 2 or 3 drops because I already put oil in it last night. And again, I'm just going to focus this on my length and ends. Then I'm just going to give it a quick little brush again. But as for the braid, I'm just going to do a simple 3-strand braid, so I'll turn around so that you can see. And then I'm just going to tie it off. I'm just going to go ahead and get ready to go on my bike ride. I'm going to put my SPF on, put some deodorant on because it's summertime. You need deodorant. And I'll check in with you guys in a bit. Welcome to my floor. The construction is finally done for the day, but I actually ended up going to the beach really spontaneously this afternoon, and so it's great because I get to show you guys my after beach hair care routine. So unfortunately I didn't get to prep my hair the way I normally would to go to the beach because today was so random, but honestly it's not much different than from what you guys saw me do this morning. So before the beach I would normally put some oil in my hair, especially near my ends, and then put it in a braid, which is essentially what I did this morning. But normally if I know for sure I'm going swimming, I like to use some shea butter instead of oil in my ends. Shea butter is just a lot heavier, it's a lot more protective, I find. Also, as much as I love hair care and obviously my main goal is to keep my hair as healthy as possible, I do not let my hair care routine dictate my like summer life or my life in any time, but especially in the summertime. If I want to go to the beach and go swimming, like I don't give a shit if I already washed my hair this week, like it is what it is. So with that being said, since I already washed my hair yesterday, today I was not going to use any shampoo because I just don't feel like my hair really needs like a deep wash. But when I came home from the beach, I jumped in the shower and obviously I just rinsed my hair out from all the salt water, and then I only used conditioner, and I like to use conditioner to, I guess, co-wash my hair, and I use that really lightly because I'm not even like scrubbing the conditioner into my roots or anything. I just put like a nice even coating, a nice generous even coating on my length, my ends, and then I do bring whatever excess I have on my hands like up through like the roots and back of my hair, just to make sure that everything is rehydrated, re-moisturized, and then I let that sit in my hair for about 5 to 10 minutes while I do the rest of my shower. And then since I was in the ocean, I'm going to be using this guava cream leave-in conditioner from Ceremonia today. It's for deep hydration, and it's super lightweight, so I like to use it on my length and ends only really when I've gone in the ocean. I'm just gonna use one pump and it gives you about a dime size amount. Oh my god, and I also love this stuff because it smells like the beach. It just smells so good. And then I just focus that near my length and ends. And then whatever I have like excess, I'll just lightly like scrunch into the rest of my hair. And that's pretty much it. Sometimes instead of a cream leave-in, I'll use an oil. It really just depends on how I'm feeling. But most of the time I like to use the cream leave-in. It just adds like an extra layer of moisture. Also, let me know if you guys want to see my after beach like body care routine. I finally found one that is working for my skin and keeping me like glowy and moisturized all summer because I suck at moisturizing my body. I'm actually super lazy about it, but I found a routine that is working for me and that I'm able to keep on top of. So I'd be happy to share that with you guys if you are interested. Let me know down below and we can totally do that. So yesterday I literally forgot to update you because I did nothing with my hair. I woke up, put it into really shitty Dutch braids, and then I left it like that for the entire day. And I ended up going swimming again last night, so I did the exact same hair rinse routine that I showed you the night before. So I just rinsed it, used my Kalia conditioner, and then applied some cream leave-in afterwards. And then while my hair was still a little bit damp, I did 2 Dutch braids again for bedtime because I wanted to do this little bun hairstyle. I mean, I'm not really sure how well you guys can see it. It probably doesn't look as cute as it did this morning. I just got home from work and it's actually really hot out, so I feel like it fell out a little. But it's just like a big messy bun. I used a claw clip to secure it. And this is such a cute way to style my hair now when it's like greasy. I could add some like hair pomade or something here just to keep it more slicked back if I really want. But let me know if you guys would be interested in maybe seeing a tutorial on something like this if you think it's cute. Like I said, it was a lot nicer this morning when like the waves were fresh, but I have to wash my hair now anyways, so I'm going to just repeat the entire process. Once I find a good routine for something, I kind of like to stick to it, and it works so well with my longer hair that I knew that this kind of simple routine would work well for short hair too. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me. Let me know in the comments what you would like to see next, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!